Today we're going to be taking a look at this low voltage landscape light. In this video, I'm going to show you what comes in the box, demo it for you, and give you my honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. In the box, you're going to have the user manual. You're going to have a spotlight that has an adjustable angle. It does come with some low voltage wire attached to it. You have the light bulb. I'll show you how to install that in a second. And then you have this really nice ground stake as well as wire connectors, so you can put multiple spotlights together. You will also need a low voltage transformer that is sold separately. To install the light bulb, you need to take this top part off. It does not screw, it just pulls off, and there's two rubber gaskets in here. And then we're just going to install the light bulb into the two holes that are in the center. So now that our light bulb is in, we're going to take our wires and we're going to connect one to a common ground and one to a 12 volt on our low voltage transformer. Technically, now that this is connected, I should be able to turn it over and turn the spotlight on, and it will work. And it does work. Yay! Thanks to the magic of the internet, it is now dusk and we can turn these on. You can put them in the ground and aim them at a plant, like these beautiful red plants we found growing on the property. You can put them in planters and aim them at a plant, or you can aim them at other focal areas like this beautiful tree. And as you will see, it lights it up a lot. So I just turned it off and I turned it back on. It is a true spotlight.